Hello future civil servants. Are you ready to crack the UPSC Civil Services 2025? Let's start with a question. How many of you know that a high score in ethics paper can significantly boost your overall rank? And that ForumIAS students of the Ethics Plus module have increased their scores significantly by 30 to 60 marks, reaching up to 135 plus in GS4. With scores ranging from 125 to 140, it holds incredible weight compared to GS papers 1 and 2, where averages hover around 80 to 90. Multiple factors make scoring high in ethics feel like walking on a tightrope. And let's be real, many candidates face hurdles with the ethics paper. The biggest struggle of all is that GS paper 4 has not only content but comes with a context, which leads to a lot of students writing man ki baat in their answers. Secondly, there's always confusion over the scattered material without a single comprehensive source. Then there's the vast syllabus. Anything can be asked. Most candidates spend only about 15 days preparing for ethics, making it tough to know where to focus. Moreover, answering case studies requires a broad reading base and creative thinking, which doesn't come naturally to everyone and requires sincere, consistent efforts. We have seen many of our students struggle in GS4 despite having mains experience. That's where the much awaited Ethics Plus course by ForumIAS comes in. Here's what you can expect. Comprehensive coverage. We delve into key ethics terms and terminologies through intensive answer writing. Case studies. Case studies covered with scenarios of real life where a civil servant faces ethical dilemmas. Q&A sessions. Cover key issues and expected questions to boost your confidence. Quality note making and answer writing. Learn how to articulate your thoughts effectively by understanding the mindset of the examiner. Evaluation. With 2 full-length tests, assess your progress in the course. Still wondering as to why choose ForumIAS? Our proven track record speaks for itself. Let us see what our student-turned-officers have to say.
So I recall you telling me कि उन दोनों बच्चों का हो गया, but now I want you to be there. So that was something which I kept with myself.
When I joined for ethics, that was one of the best decisions that I took in the 4th attempt because I had absolutely no base. And like I was telling you just before, all of my conceptual clarity that came in, all of the different aspects in the ethics paper, whether it's public administration or it is the philosophical part, or it is just differentiating objectivity, impartiality, neutrality, all of that came through the offline class. I came for almost every class, if I recall.
The program has always been wonderful with Ayush Sir because he always gives me such interesting inputs in how I should articulate my thoughts and how he taught me to be very original in the interview as well.
But I also utilized forums material a lot, like in my preparation. The red book created by Ayush Sir for the ethics paper was very vital for me.
Very SMA is around 118 और ethics में 111. So combined together marks पे jump हुआ है 62 marks का. So had वो नहीं होता तो selection तो छोड़ दीजिए कुछ मिलता ही नहीं. Outright.
Ethics Plus classes. It helped me in improving my content and in writing as much as I can. Ayush Sir helped me. He even helped me in answering one of the questions which was asked in an interview also.
Okay.
Yes. They asked me what are your weakness.
Okay.
He told me the answer and I just said that as it is there.
Also, students like Benjo P. Jose, Smriti Mishra, Meenal Karanwal and Neha Bhosle have scored impressively high in GS4 thanks to the focused guidance by Ayush Sir. So what are you waiting for? Don't let the ethics paper be a boulder in your UPSC journey. Join us today for a dedicated, differentiated and consolidated preparation with ForumIAS, where we build officers.